Hi friends, I'm going to read you a story today called Rain. Rain. Okay. The day is hot. The sun shines bright. The flowers wilt. The grass grows limp. Even the birds are still. And then a gray cloud covers the sun. The cloud is made of tiny drops of water. The drops grow larger and larger. They bump into one another. They grow so heavy that they fall. Rain! The flowers drink, the grass drinks. The birds drink, the world is fresh and clean. The sun comes out again, bright and hot. It shines and shines and shines until... Where did the puddle go? Into the air. Into the sky. Into the cloud up there. And then the tiny drops of water gather into clouds again. The drops grow heavier and heavier until rain falls once more. And the world smiles. The end. That was our story. I hope you guys liked it. I did want to ask you one question. What are they using when it's raining? What are they wearing? Look, this little girl, she has some rain boots. She's using an umbrella. She has a rain hat. And she has a rain jacket. All those things so she doesn't get wet. All right, friends, I will see you later. Bye.